In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very cute, beautiful and colorful wall hanging. For this project, I have used MDF board and Fevicryl molded air dry clay. I have attached a string on top of it for making the wall hanging. Just follow the video without wasting any time and subscribe to my channel. Hi, I'm Shabori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let us begin our work. We will take the MDF board and then cover it up with a layer of gesso white. Just paint it all over the surface of the MDF board and let it dry out completely. So has dried up completely. We will just draw the outline of our painting. We will take the air dry clay and mix the ingredients together to form a white colored dough. We will take small portion of the dough and convert it into a pebble like shape and stick it on top of the face of the girl. We will let our work to dry out completely for 3 to 4 hours so that it hardens up. Then we will start painting on top of our work using acrylic paints. So it's a very beautiful scenery, but it is really very simple too. So you can easily paint it. Just follow the way I'm doing it and do it yourself. And don't forget to share your work with me in my Instagram account. I am painting it and you can follow it, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. add all the detailings to our painting, and now it is completely done. We will attach a string at the top portion through the 2 holes that we had drilled earlier. Just tie a double knot at the back side, and the wall hanging is now completely ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.